A short video I wanted to create showing a tube smoker that I made. This is just some material I found on eBay. It's stainless steel, so it's food safe. And I put my pellets in there, as you can see. And I just put two of them together. It's actually exhaust venting for a car, but it is stainless steel. And so I'm gonna go ahead and show you how it works right now. Go ahead and light it up. And so the trick with this that I found is that you want to get going on embers. They have to be embers before you put the smoker into your smoker, the tube smoker into your smoker. So I get them going, and then I just let them burn like that. So I'll let them burn like that for about 30-45 seconds and let these get nice and hot. Trying to do this with one hand, which isn't easy. So like I said, this material I found on eBay, I think 3 of them or 4 of them came for, I don't know, 20 bucks. And all I did was cut it. You can just cut it. And what I did right here is I inserted, you can make it as long as you want. So I just bent one of them a little bit and inserted it into the other. And it still works just as fine. The key is that the holes somewhat line up so that it still has air to ventilate. So let me go ahead and blow this out. And you'll see that it starts smoking immediately. A lot. This is supplemental smoke for a smoker. I mean, my smoker, I have a master built electric smoker. And it works really well. The only problem is that, like I said, it puts out smoke when the electric element is on. Even if you have chips in there, if the element turns off for a while because it's a hot day or something, it won't continue to smoke. But with this thing, it will just keep going and going and going. You just have to have a little bit of ventilation in your smoker. So what I do is right here on mine, when I go, this is all dirty, so you have to excuse the mess, but when I close it, I just make sure that this isn't latched very, very tightly. If it's latched very tightly, it can't get a little bit of air, just kind of a crosswind almost, if you will. I found works better, and just a little bit, so you have to adjust your smoker accordingly. But on your regular smokers, your regular pit smokers, they have air coming into them regardless, because they always have a little bit of venting action going on. On these, they can be sealed, so because they have a seal and they have this, so as tight as you want to make it, is you can kind of cut off that airflow. So so here it is. It's still producing smoke, and it will do. I timed this one. It's almost 12 inches, and it will last almost 3 hours. So what I'll do now is I'll go ahead and just insert it into my smoker. Again, I'm trying to do this all with one hand, but I got a brisket going right now. And you'll see it'll just start smoking, and it'll start doing its thing. And I got my brisket on. I'll go ahead and close this up. It's harder than I thought it would be to do with one hand. Just hire somebody to help me out. So I go ahead and close it up and open the vent on the top, and before you know it, this thing will start producing plenty of nice blue thin smoke, exactly what you're looking for. Let me show you another piece that I made that is based on the same premise. So this right here is another piece that I made. It's based on the same premise. What it is it's still the stainless steel tubing that you find, that I told you can find on eBay. It's like, this is the leftovers from the other piece that I had, so I had plenty of it. So what I said, I wanted to make something that would last longer. So what I did was I cut these at a 45-degree angle. just cut them with some tin snips at a 45-degree angle, and then I just put some wire, some stainless steel wire right here on each one of these to get them tied together. And I just looped it in, tied them together, and I can load this thing up with pellets, and it will last me 6 hours. So as long as the pellets are evenly distributed through the tube, this thing will last 6 hours, which is really awesome because you can, for those of you that don't like to sit by your smoker and constantly be, monitoring it and stuff, you can stick a probe thermometer into your brisket. You can put this thing on and it goes for 6 hours. And so that's good to go with that. But if you need any details, I guess I can go ahead and try to find it where I bought it. It was a long time ago. That's why this thing's so black. I just haven't posted this video. But I'll try to find it on eBay. It's pretty simple to find. All you gotta do is look up stainless steel car exhaust, I think is what it's called. But it is food safe because I checked out the type of metal they use, and it's the same type of metal they use in kitchens. So it's a food safe stainless. It shouldn't, I mean, I've been cooking with it for probably 2 years before I made this video. So I know that it works. And you can already see there again, the smoke is just, I don't know if it's coming across through the video, but it's coming out quite well, and it won't stop for a solid 3 hours, and this one will go for 6 hours. So you can make multiples of these, and this just supplements there again if you have a problem creating smoke, or you don't want to be around to watch the smoke and you have an electric smoker. I like to make it easy on myself, and I don't like to be constantly opening and closing, opening and closing. I pretty much have the times down now for all the meats that I cook, but for this one, I'll put this on overnight, and I'll just sleep for 6 hours. I get up and this is extinguished, but the meat is still cooking, and then I'll respray my meat, do what I got to do, close it back up, and keep smoking. But I just wanted to share this video and show what it looks like. If you have any questions or comments, you can post them below, and I'll try to answer the best I can.